This is our Fortune 16-inch swing over the ways, 24 in the gap, 40-inch centers. This is the Tai Chung machine, which is the best one that was imported. It's got a 8-inch 3-jaw, 10-inch 4-jaw, steady rest, quick change tool post, foot brake, hard bed, full-on splash guard with coolant. Coolant does work. We just found out the hard way, but pump is definitely working. Going to bring it on for you now. This lathe runs very well. So right now, feeding the cross. Longitudinal. This machine has a foot brake. Change direction. Feeding the opposite way. Carriage feeding the compound feeding the opposite way. Let's bring the lead screw on. Change it to the opposite. Lead screw. Red dial is here. It's a 2-speed machine. 220 volt. Reverse. Forward. Go to the low range. Slowest, 30 RPM. We have a button. Speed. High range. This is our 16-inch by 24 in the gap by 40-inch Fortune lathe that runs very, very well. Thank you for watching.